Hi there, I'm Renee Elliott, Chief Customer Officer here at EventsAir. Once again this year, I have the pleasure of bringing you the Community Tips and Tricks session. This is one of my favourite sessions of the entire conference. The session kicks off with valuable insights from the EventsAir team. You can expect to learn a range of practical tips and tricks to enhance your experience with the platform. If you've attended a user conference in the years past, be prepared for something a little different. But we promise a fun, engaging, and interactive experience. Allowing you to share your event planning tips, the interactive approach will create a dynamic learning environment, fostering collaboration and knowledge exchange amongst your fellow EventsAir colleagues. By attending this session, you can expect to gain valuable knowledge and best practices. Whether you're an experienced event organizer or someone just starting out, you will leave this session with at least one actionable insight that you can implement when you're back in the office.